Now is the activity 2. For characteristic number 2, it is matter is made up of very small particles. To explain this activity, we have taken a beaker filled with 100 ml of water. Now in this 100 ml of water, we will put potassium permanganate, 4 or 5 cubes of potassium permanganate. Again, here the solution is 100 ml. From this 100 ml solution, we have taken 10 ml and this 10 ml is put into another beaker containing 90 ml of water. The total solution is 100 ml. But water in this beaker is 90 ml and 10 ml we have taken from the solution in beaker B. Now again, from this C beaker, we take 10 ml and we put this 10 ml into the next beaker containing 90 ml of water. Again, total solution is 100 ml. Then from this beaker, we take 10 ml and put this into the next beaker containing 90 ml water. Again, total solution is 100 ml. Now, what we see in this experiment, we see that the pink color, the dark pink color of potassium permanganate is becoming fade. The shade is becoming fade. That the color of the pink is fading beaker to beaker. In beaker B, we have the maximum pink color of potassium permanganate. Then in beaker C, a little bit color of potassium permanganate fades. Then in D, the color more fades, and then in beaker E, the color more fades than that of D. It shows that the potassium permanganate is still there in beaker E. However, we are taking 10 ml only from 100 ml of solution from each beaker. Still, we have some particles of potassium permanganate in the last beaker because still the color of potassium permanganate is there. It shows that the matter is made up of very small particles. These small particles are going from beaker to beaker, and however we have taken a very small quantity, still it is there in beaker E. Now the procedure and observation. The number 1, take beaker A filled with 100 ml water. Number 2, put 4 cubes of potassium permanganate in 100 ml water in beaker B. Stir it. In beaker B, we have put potassium permanganate in 100 ml water. High intensity color of pink shade of potassium permanganate is obtained in B. Then number 3, take 10 ml of solution from beaker B. Take 10 ml of solution from beaker B and put it in 90 ml of water in beaker C. We get 100 ml solution, but intensity of pink color fades as compared to beaker B solution. Then the fourth point is, take 10 ml from beaker C and put it in 90 ml water of beaker D. Again we get 100 ml solution, but intensity of pink color further fades away as compared to beaker C. Repeat procedure for beaker E also. But we observe that the pink color in beaker C further fades away, but still solution is pink. That the pink color in the last beaker, we see that the pink color in beaker E further fades away, but still solution is pink. The conclusion is that matter is made up of very small particles because only 4 cubes of KMnO4 were added in beaker B. They are still present in beaker E. Giving a pink color. Now activity 3.